Hello beautiful people, it's me, your girl Priscilla, and in today's video I am going to be telling you guys how you can get Temu to reduce the price of their items on their website. Yes, you guys, you heard that correctly. I am going to be telling you guys a method that you can use to get Temu to reduce the prices of the items that are on their website for you. So if you're anything like me and you like a bargain, you like to save money, or you're just a little bit cheap, this video is for you. Whilst we're still at it, if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, please do go ahead and subscribe, because I'm pretty sure that I have similar videos to this one on my YouTube channel that you find just as beneficial as this one. So do go ahead and subscribe to this channel and turn on your post notifications. So the method that we're going to be discussing today that you can use to make Temu reduce their prices specifically for you is Temu's 30-day price match guarantee. Now, this is how this process works, you guys. If you do go ahead and buy something from the Temu website and you realize that it is being sold for a cheaper price at a major competitor of Temu's, you can always apply for this 30-day price match guarantee on Temu. And what Temu guarantees is that they will pay you the difference in price between what they'll be selling that item for on their website and the cheaper price that you would have found that particular thing being sold for. Let's say that you find a dress being sold on the Temu website for 350 Rand, for example, and you find an identical dress being sold for 200 Rand on the Shein website. You can just go ahead and collect the evidence that will be proving that the dress is really being sold for cheaper on the Shein website and send that to Temu whilst you are applying for this price match guarantee. And Temu promises that they will go ahead and give you the difference between the dress prices in this particular example, which will be 150 within 2 business days. A huge condition for this is this will only work if the 2 items in question are identical in size, in color, and like I have been hinting throughout this video, this will only work provided you do it within a 30-day window after paying to Temu. Okay, it must be done within a 30-day window. For example, I have like orders that I made like months ago, on Temu. I can't now then go, to the Temu website and start like applying this price match guarantee on the Temu website because it is long past like 30 days. Now, you guys, please do go ahead and tell me if you want a tutorial, a step-by-step tutorial of this, and I will go ahead and organize one for you guys in a video. Do hint if you guys are interested in something like that in the comment section. Now remember, you guys, do take care of yourselves, remain hopeful, and be good to one another. Up until I see you in another one, you are loved. Mwah. Bye bye.